Hi guys and welcome back. Today I will be decluttering and rearranging my son's bedroom. So I've set myself a task this year to actually declutter and rearrange, minimalise everything in my house. And the first place I'm going to start is actually my son's bedroom. So this is his bedroom. It's actually not too bad. He's just got a lot of clutter everywhere, an accumulation of things, toys, paper. So my plan is to declutter and just get rid of a lot of that. His drawers are actually pretty tidy. I just need to go through some of his clothes in there and just streamline it and get rid of anything that doesn't fit him anymore, and also rearrange it a little bit. Generally what I do is find a block of time in my day and I will make myself a coffee, listen to some background music, get through the task of sorting out whatever I need to. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty everything out of his drawers. This way I can see exactly what's in there and start thinking about how I'm going to rearrange everything. And you can see this is all the stuff that has come out of the drawers. It's quite a lot of things. Now that the drawers are empty, I'm going to give it a clean and a wipe down. And I'm just using some normal surface cleaner to do this. I'm cleaning them inside and out. The first thing I'm going to tackle is his socks. Pairing them up, seeing if they fit still. Once I've done that, they go back in the drawer. Next, I'm sorting through his underpants and folding all his vests up. Again, I'm checking the sizing and the fit of them whilst I'm doing this. You might have noticed that I've folded them in a particular way so they can be stacked up inside. That way he can see exactly what's in there and pick which one he wants to wear. And that's all tidy in there now. And I've actually managed to condense 2 drawers down into one. It looks nice and tidy and it's all arranged in a way that he can see everything. My son's bed actually has 4 drawers built in, which it's a great use of space, and we use this to store his pyjamas or other bits and pieces, his Lego, that kind of thing. So this particular drawer he can't get to because the drawer is blocking it. So I'm going to open it up give it a clean. And now I can use it to store something which he doesn't need access to. So I'm actually going to put in some items of clothing that we don't use very often. This is his pyjama drawer, and to be fair, it's pretty tidy. I've cleaned that very recently. So I'm going to just rearrange them in the correct order again, and that drawer's done. You might notice that I folded his pyjamas the same way as I did with his vest. Again, it's just easier for him to see what's there and pull out exactly what he needs. Now to tackle this big pile of clutter on the bed, which has come out from those drawers. I can't believe actually how much has come out of there. There's toys which can go back in the playroom. There's things that he has crafted and made, which I will keep some items in a memory box. And there's some other bits and pieces like his perfumes and his toiletries I'll find a smaller drawer for. And there's the bed without the mess on it. Much better already. So since I've moved the drawer out of the way, I'm going to clean behind it. There's a load of dust. I'm going to clean away the dust with a cloth and then give it a bit of a vac. This whole corner of his room is tidy and clean. Already I feel like I've made some progress with this room. And it didn't take me long at all. And here we have it. His drawers are nice and organised inside. I've got 2 empty drawers now which we could use to fill with something else. And the top of his drawer is tidy with just his dinosaur light on. I will be creating a series of declutter videos and minimalising everything in my home. So please subscribe if you want to follow along on that journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!